Good morning. Welcome to video lectures organized by SSMRB College and ISR initiative. SSMRB College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, have come up with a unique initiative to engage the students at the time of these unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with the students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Dr. Ambika, working for the Department of MCOM, has posted a video on the subject Advanced E-commerce and Mobile Commerce and the topic Applications of Mobile Commerce. Please watch the video till the end, like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Mobile ticketing is a process whereby the customers can order, pay, obtain or validate the tickets using mobile phones without the need of a physical ticket. A mobile ticket contains a unique ticket verification code. Mobile tickets reduce the production and the distribution cost connected with the traditional paper ticketing channels and increase the customer convenience by providing new and simple ways to purchase tickets. People will not worry about losing a ticket or realizing the left tickets at home when arrive at the venue. Mobile tickets are also a way to combat scalping and a ticket fraud that has been a big problem for the entertainment industry. Mobile money is a technology that allows people to receive, store, and spend money using a mobile phone. It's sometimes referred to as a mobile wallet or by the name of a specific service known as M-Paisa, eCash, and so on. There are more than 270 different mobile money services around the world, although they are most popular in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Mobile money is a popular alternative to both the cash and the banks because it's an easy to use, secure, and can be used anywhere where there is a mobile phone signal. Mobile money is a service that stores the funds in a secure electronic account linked to a phone number. In some cases, the mobile money number will be the same as a phone number, but not always. Mobile money is often provided by the same companies that runs the country's mobile phone services and is always available to both the prepay and the contract customers. The services allow users to store, send and receive money using their mobile phones. They can buy items in shops or online, pay bills, school fees and top up the mobile airtime. They can also withdraw the cash at the authorized agents. Mobile content purchase and delivery mainly consist of sale of ringtones, wallpapers, apps and games for the mobile phones. The convergence of the mobile phones, portable audio players and video players into a single device is increasing the purchase and the delivery of the full-length music tracks and video. The download speeds available with 4G networks make it possible to buy the tickets on the mobile device in a couple of seconds. A wide variety of information services can be delivered to the mobile phone users in such a way as it is delivered to the PCs. These services include news, stock codes, sports scores, financial records, traffic reporting, emergency alerts, location-based notification. Customized traffic information based on the user's actual travel patterns can be sent to the mobile device. This customized data is more useful than a generic traffic report broadcast but was practical before the invention of mobile devices due to the bandwidth requirements. Mobile banking is a service provided by a bank or other a financial institution that allows its customers to conduct financial transactions remotely using a mobile device such as a smartphone or a tablet. Unlike the related internet banking, it uses software, usually called an app, provided by the financial institution for this purpose. Mobile banking is usually available on a 24-hour basis. Some financial institutions have the restrictions on which the accounts may be accessed through the mobile banking, as well as a limit on the amount that can be transacted. Mobile banking is dependent on the availability of an internet or a data connection to the mobile device. Transactions to the mobile banking depend on the features of the mobile banking app provided and typically includes obtaining the account balances and list of transactions, electronic bill payments, remote check deposits, P2P payments, and the fund transfers between the customers and another accounts. Some apps also enable the copies of the statements to be downloaded and are sometimes printed at the customized premises. Using a mobile banking app increases the ease of use, speed, flexibility, and also improves security because it integrates with the user built-in mobile devices as security mechanisms. A mobile browser is a web browser designed for a use on a mobile device such as a mobile phone or a PDA. Mobile browsers are optimized so as to display the web content most effectively for small screens on portable devices. Mobile browser software must be small and efficient to accommodate the low memory capacity and low bandwidth of the wireless handheld devices. Mobile marketing is a multi channel online marketing technique focused at reaching a specific audience on their smartphones, feature phones, tablets, or any other related device through the websites, emails, SMS, and MMS, social media, or mobile applications. Mobile marketing can provide the customers with time and location sensitive personalized information that promotes goods, services, and appointment reminders and ideas. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.